Good morning everyone. I am Ridhima Joshi from grade 6. I am going to tell today's day and date. The day is Tuesday and the date is 11th February 2025. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. This is Divyashi Pawar from grade 6. Today I am going to tell you all thought for the day. The thought is she wrote some code just on a paper itself. She is really somebody we point to in our heritage for our founder of computer science. This quote is about a woman is capable in every stream. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. I am Rajvardhan Sulzankar from grade 6.
My name is Narendra Dhakne from grade 6.
This is Vishnu Vaishnav from grade 6.
I am Sohan Sanjikumar Suryanshi from grade 6.
We are going to tell you the importance of the day. Today we are observing International Day of Women and Girls in Science.
It is observed every year on 11th February to promote gender equality and encourage girls to pursue careers in science.
But I was wondering, why is this day important?
It highlights gender gap, not only encourage inclusion but also inspire girls.
Let me share some piece of information related to history of women in science. Some early women scientists like Marie Curie, who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, and Rosalind Franklin, who played important role in discovering DNA.
Now I would like to talk about some notable women scientists like Katherine Johnson, Marie Curie and Jane Goodall. Hello sir, yesterday my bank account was hacked and all of my money got debited.
Oh, I am the bank manager. Tell me, how did that happen?
I have no idea.
There are two clear possibilities. Either you have a very easy password or you have used open Wi-Fi for your bank transactions.
My bank account
Give your
password. My bank account password is my name with 123 and yes, I always use open Wi-Fi as it saves my data.
Never keep a easy password and never use open Wi-Fi.
Dear all, today we are going to share with you all the need for being safe on Internet Day. Today we are also observing another important day, which is Safer Internet Day. This is observed every year 11 February.
To promote the responsible and positive use of technology while keeping young people safe online.
But can you please help me to knowing why this day was important?
It is important for various reasons such as ensuring online safety, educating the youth and its global impact.
Okay, let's talk about how to stay safe. It can be done by setting strong password, thinking before posting, and many more.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to emphasize that stay safe, be smart, additionally empower and protect.
May we empower girls to explore science online safely and